Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, the channel where the waves meet luxury and every vessel has a story today. We are stepping aboard one of the most striking and unconventional river cruise ships to ever sail through Europe, the TheB. Bold, black and beautiful, this isn't your typical riverboat. This is a ship designed for the new wave of travelers, young at heart, adventurous in spirit and bold in taste. So if you've ever wondered what it's like to cruise the rivers of Europe in a floating boutique hotel built for Instagram moments and modern vibes, you're in the right place. Let's take a deep dive into the TheB. The TheB is one of the two ships in the Uniworld fleet, and she was built to turn heads and redefine river cruising. Traditionally, river cruise ships lean heavily into the classic or old world aesthetic, but the TheB throughout the rulebook, her sleek black exterior with minimalist white accents instantly sets her apart from the rest of the fleet navigating the Seine, Rhine and Danube. The matte black hull with LED lighting is not just a visual treat, it's a powerful branding statement. The TheB doesn't just cruise, she arrives. She's 361 feet long and 37.5 feet wide, allowing her to glide effortlessly through Europe's narrow rivers and canals, yet with all the confidence and flair of a yacht in Monaco. From the moment you step aboard the TheB, you'll know this ship was designed for a different kind of traveler. Her design merges industrial chic with cozy modernism. There's a deliberate mix of raw and refined materials that play out through the ship's public spaces and cabins. The exterior's boldness carries through to the interiors, where polished concrete meets plush velvet. Black and white palettes are punched with neon and metallic accents, and open spaces are designed for social energy, not just passive observation. You don't just walk through the TheB, you vibe with her. The ship is split into 3 main decks and offers a variety of common areas for every kind of traveler. The rooftop lounge, known as the Ice Bar, is a standout feature and an anchor point of the ship's social scene. With panoramic views of riverbanks and old towns, it's the perfect place to sip a cocktail under the stars or vibe to a live DJ spinning deep house while docked in Amsterdam. There are plush daybeds, lounges and even a rooftop tented space for those occasional rainy nights. The TheB's rooftop is more akin to a beach club than a river cruise. Step below deck and you're greeted with the lounge, the heart of the ship's interior social life. Picture velvet couches, neon lighting, art deco fixtures and curated playlists. This is where morning yoga meets late night karaoke, where casual coffee meets curated wine tastings. The lounge is as much a place to chill as it is to connect, and that duality is what defines the TheB. Cabins on the TheB aren't called cabins without reason, but they've been reimagined for modern sensibilities. There are 4 categories: studio cabins, balcony cabins, suites and the creatively named studio triple for travel crews. Each room is designed with clean lines, large mirrors and a neutral backdrop that allows mood lighting and art to stand out. You'll find Bluetooth speakers, USB charging ports, adjustable lighting and smart storage solutions that make even the smallest studio cabin feel uncluttered and breathable. The larger suites come with French balconies, a seating area and elevated amenities like Nespresso machines and rainfall showers. Bathrooms throughout the ship are minimal yet high-end. You'll find glass-enclosed showers, sleek vanities and high-quality toiletries by brands that align with the ship's ethos. Cool boutique rather than chain hotel. The layout prioritizes usability without sacrificing aesthetic appeal, making getting ready for dinner or a night out feel like part of the adventure. Dining aboard the TheB is a culinary experience curated for a global palate but with a youthful twist. The main restaurant, known as Dine, is open seating and open-minded. Expect menus that blend European sophistication with street food soul. One night it might be truffle risotto and duck confit, the next it's Korean barbecue tacos or vegan Buddha bowls. The ship prides itself on sustainability too, with a focus on locally sourced ingredients and reduced food waste. There's also a grab-and-go station open almost all day, perfect for those who'd rather pack a picnic for a bike ride in Vienna or grab a fresh juice before morning meditation. The bar is stocked with premium spirits and creative cocktails, and the bartenders are more like mixologists, crafting drinks with fresh herbs, house-made syrups and small batch liqueurs. The goal is to match the vibe of the destination, whether you're sipping rosé in Provence or downing a cold craft beer in Cologne. Now let's talk performance. This ship isn't just stylish, she's also built for precision navigation through some of Europe's most complex river systems. The TheB features a shallow draft hull, allowing her to access more intimate ports and lesser traveled routes. This expands the cruise experience beyond the traditional heavy-hitter cities to include charming river towns and hidden gems with authentic local flair. Her propulsion system is eco-conscious, running on cleaner marine diesel with modern exhaust filtration that significantly reduces emissions compared to older ships. She is also equipped with state-of-the-art navigation and docking systems, which means smoother rides, faster port transitions, and better punctuality for the curated itineraries. Whether cruising overnight or docking at sunrise, TheB does it with grace and reliability. The ship's relatively small size also means fewer passengers and more personalized experiences. With a max capacity of around 120 guests and a crew of 41, the ratio allows for friendly service that still feels organic, not overly formal. Crew members double as storytellers, guides, and even workout partners in onboard classes. And yes, there are wellness features onboard, from morning yoga to TRX suspension training and a small gym stocked with functional equipment for full-body workouts. What truly separates TheB from other river cruise ships is its commitment to a social lifestyle on the move. Instead of formal excursions, you get curated experiences: bike tours led by locals, midnight strolls in Paris, wine tastings in underground cellars, even street art tours guided by actual muralists. The ship offers onboard events like silent discos, mixology classes, drag bingo, and rooftop movie nights, transforming a simple river cruise into a cultural festival afloat. There's also a deep digital integration across the ship. Onboard tech includes an intuitive app that handles everything from itinerary management to ordering room service or signing up for excursions. Fast Wi-Fi ensures that social media moments can be shared in real time, and communal charging stations throughout the ship acknowledge the traveler's modern need to stay powered up and connected. TheB isn't trying to be everything to everyone, and that's precisely why it works so well. It's tailored for those who crave exploration with edge, those who love tradition but demand innovation in equal measure. If you think river cruising is only for retirees and history buffs, TheB will flip that assumption on its head. Here we have a ship that respects the journey but reinvents how you experience it along the way. As she glides through the heart of Europe, TheB doesn't just show you the cities, she immerses you in their rhythm. And when the day is done and the city lights fade into the horizon, you return to a floating haven where style meets comfort, energy meets ease, and every corner invites connection. Whether it's your first river cruise or your 10th, TheB offers something rare in the world of travel: authenticity without pretense, freedom without chaos, and luxury without stiffness. This is not just a boat, it's a community on water, an experience that's as curated as it is carefree. It's a floating canvas for unforgettable memories. So if you're ready to discover Europe in a way that's anything but ordinary, TheB awaits. With her sleek silhouette, vibrant energy, and commitment to fresh experiences, she's redefining what it means to cruise a river. That wraps up our look at TheB. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more floating marvels, from stylish yachts to mega ferries, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell right here on Sir Boats Yacht, your captain of design, innovation, and maritime luxury. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay afloat.